Hello friends, this is Nitesh and welcome to my channel Code Heaven. So in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to create this star pattern with the help of C language. So here in this, like we need to print 4 spaces, then 1 star, then 3 spaces, then 2 star, then 2 spaces and then 3 star, then 1 space and then 4 star, and then without spaces we need to print 5 stars. So basically this is kind of a pattern. This is the mirror image of the pattern which we have created in our first video. So for this, what we are going to do, we are going to do like this, and with this one, and here is minus minus. We need to print star if j is less than equal to I, and else what we need to do, we need to printf the space. So let me build and run this and confirm is this logic worked or not. Okay, there is some error. Space, this one, and this for loop is also closed. What is the error? So the error is like saying unexpected identifier for int is less than equal to 1, j is greater than. Okay, perfectly fine. Okay, we need to delete this. So let me build and run this and check is yes, our logic correctly worked. It prints the pattern. So let's go through with the algorithm which print this pattern. So in the first for loop we didn't change anything. It is as it was in previous videos. So basically we have total 5 rows which this loop is indicating this, and this loop is like we changed it like j is equal to 5, which is greater than equal to 1, and j minus minus. We are actually traversing the j loop reverse. So in this, if j is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1, so it will print the star, and else if the condition not satisfied, then it will print a space. So at the first time j is equal to 5 and I is equal to 1, then j is smaller than equal to I or not. J is 5 and I is 1, then j is bigger than 1, not smaller than, then it will print the space. So and after that j becomes 4 and I becomes same, like I will be like same, I will be 1 and j becomes 4. At that time the condition also not satisfied, it will print the space. So then j becomes 3, I becomes again 5, then this condition again falls and it will print the space. J becomes 4, condition still not satisfied, it will print the space again. So it prints the 4 spaces in the first row, and after that j becomes 5 and j becomes 1 and I becomes I becomes 1, then this condition is satisfied because j is equal to I, then it will print the star. So in the first row, uh, there are total 4 spaces and 1 star printed, and after that I becomes 2, and then for ith 2 iteration, this second for loop runs for 5 times as well. So in this, like if j becomes 5 at first, then and I is 2, then this condition is not satisfied again, and then it will print the space. Again I j value decreases with 4, which is going to be 4, then j equal to 4, and I equal to 1, I equal to 2 again. So this condition still not satisfied, it will print the space again. J becomes 3 and I becomes 2, this condition still not satisfied, then print the space. And then j becomes 2 and I becomes 2, then the condition is satisfied, it will print the star. Then j becomes 1 and I becomes 2, so I is less than 2 is less than equal to 2, 1 is less than equal to 2, then condition is also satisfied, it will print the star again. And after that, the for loop condition not satisfied, then it will change the line, and then I becomes 3, and it the loop iteration will goes on till I is equal to 6, and hence it will print this star pattern. So yes, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit the like button and subscribe button so that you can get more videos on star patterns and on C language. So yes, thank you so much.